guys, and there you have it. This is the completed 95% completed body shell here for the Alpha model Veilside RX-7. I've still got to put the front blades on here. I dropped those and got a big scratch on them, so I've got to bring them back down to resin and then bring it back up. I've got one of the headlight covers installed without the trim, and as you can see, the mirrors and the rear spoiler are absent, as those are going to get put on the final bit. I went ahead and tinted the rear tail lights, as that's how it was shown in the movie car, and then for the lights here, those still have to be painted red. Grill vents were installed here and in the front of the hood. There's some little pieces that you read in the instructions. I didn't feel it necessary to put in the video, but just so you know, they are installed. And yeah, this thing is looking meaner by the minute. So if you want to see how we finish this off, make sure to like and subscribe when we come out with the final release video, and hopefully this gives you guys a little bit of interest in this particular kit. You can buy them at any of Alpha Model's distributors. We should be carrying a few kits here at ZMSC Model Works in the coming weeks. So thanks again for watching, guys, and have a good one.